What's up, guys? Badges in blue here. Kind of a weird angle, I guess, but I know it's been a little bit. We've been going through a lot of stuff here on the ship, getting ready to go into dry dock, things like that. So we've just been kind of taking the ship apart. I realized I never kind of gave you guys some of our spaces just to kind of look at, wonder what ship life is like. So I'm gonna try to do a quick spin around here. I'll show you what the berthing looks like. Most of it's empty at this point, but hopefully in about a year and a half, 2 years, I can show you something that looks totally different. All right, guys, so here we go. All right, so it's kind of just like our lounge space. We got some couches, a little seat there, right over there. There's a door here, another hatch right over here. As you come around, you can just see some of the spots here where people are at. Obviously, normally the racks would lay down, but up inside there, you can see some of the space that you get to use for putting in your clothes or whatever it might be. Like I said, this comes down, and your mattress will be right on top, right on here, and you'll be good to go. Our space is actually a little bit bigger than some of the other ones. Some are big, some are small. Ours has no head attached, which would be the bathroom for those of you that don't know the ship terms yet. We call it the head when you're on the ship. The escape hatch there if you needed it. Have a little scuttlebutt back there. And this just dead ends back here. So yeah, some of them have a head attached inside. Ours, like I said, does not. It's actually just one level up on the next ladder well there. So, like I said, just kind of a quick little spin around of what the place looks like. Again, we're back in the lounge area now. So like I said, I just want to show you guys around. You can kind of see what it looks like. Obviously, when everybody has their gear hanging and things like that, it looks much more crowded than it does right now. But at least you can kind of get a little feel for what some berthings might look like. And again, this is on an aircraft carrier, so we have more space. The berthing's much bigger. Pretty much all the berthings will be bigger here on a carrier than on any of the small boys and things like that. Just want to talk to you guys, say what's up. I know it's been like almost a year since I've given you something. It's been kind of crazy. We were in San Diego, so I pretty much went from A school, went out to San Diego, went on a quick little underway, things like that. It was going like 3 months or so. We came back. We got to check out Hawaii. We came back, chilled out in San Diego for a little bit, did a couple more little underways, and now we're up here in Bremerton, Washington. So I'll be here about a year and a half, maybe 2 years. So hopefully, like I said, I can show you a new space. It'll look much better. We should have better racks, new flooring, all kinds of stuff like that. So some updates to come, hopefully. Shortly as the ship gets better. We're not really allowed to film very much, so it'll probably just be like a, hey, here's what it turned into type deal. But I'll keep you guys posted. Badges in blue out.